Two purposes. The first one, we were discussing about the accent, about the sound, and we have done so. And secondly, we were talking about the IELTS, visas, and this kind of information we were discussing with you people. So how many of you people, I would like to know your opinion, I would like to know your perception, point of view, opinion, whatever, that's about the workshop, about the accent, about the sounds, are they really important or not? Yes? So, let me ask from the boy. Adil, yeah, he's pointing you, he's indicating you. Are you interested in good pronunciation, accent?
Yeah, I'm good at pronunciation also. And accent.
You're good at pronunciation. Which accent you like?
Like black accent.
Black accent. It is not very difficult, man, to make this accent.
Yeah.
It is very easy. If you work hard, you can make. Not a big deal for you or anyone to make this. Anyway, so yeah, accent creates difference. Yeah.
Yeah, it make image and also people judge you from your accent.
Okay. So soon you're gonna make also. Yes, it. Mir. Yes. There are 2 Mir. You are also Mir.
Yeah, more meals.
Yeah, more Mir. Yeah, Mir. Yes, you. Boy, yeah.
What is it?
Yeah. 3 Mirs are there.
No, 4 meals.
4 Mirs. They are making gang here.
Yes, and 2 disasters.
They're making gang. We should be afraid of that. Yes. Yeah, boy. You tell me. What about the workshop? How was it? Did you get to learn something new, special, exceptional, or what?
Yes, sir.